GlobalPay encashment process. Let us walk you through the simple and secure encashment process. Open the GlobalPay app. You will land on the main screen. Tap on Cards. Select your active card. Choose your preferred currency for encashment. After that, click on Plus. Tap on Cashout. Enter the balance amount you wish to encash. Click on Proceed. You will now see the My Card screen. Add select bank account you want to encash to. Click on Proceed to continue. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Tap on Proceed again to confirm the transaction. Click on Order Details to view the complete transaction details. Show the screen of Aadhaar eSign, form of Aadhaar eSign. Enjoy the seamless experience of Forex card and app. Download the GlobalPay app from the Play Store and App Store.